Allow me to welcome you to Ayana Bio. What if we could cultivate nature's full spectrum of plant bioactives for human health and wellness without planting a seed? At Ayana Bio, rather than growing entire plants for small amounts of bioactives, we only cultivate the plant cells that produce these precious molecules. So, you may now wonder how plant cell culture works? Well, let me break it down for you in 6 simple steps. First, step 1. We start by growing authenticated plants in a controlled lab setting. This ensures we're working with the correct plant material right from the start. Then step 2. We carefully sample and sterilize plant material. We then take pieces of plant tissue and place them in a nutrient-rich culture medium to initiate growth. Now step 3. This is where the magic happens. The plant cells grow and dedifferentiate to form a callus, a cluster of undifferentiated cells. These cells are then cultivated in a liquid suspension, where we precisely control temperature, pH, aeration, and other factors to maximize cell growth and bioactive production. Next up, step 4. This is where our technology shines. We use cutting-edge, high-throughput multi-omics to analyze the cell lines and identify which ones produce the highest quality bioactives. Once we identify best-performing cells and conditions to produce the bioactives of interest, we are ready for the next step. Moving to step 5. It's now time for process development. We transfer the selected cell lines to a controlled bioreactor, where we fine-tune conditions to optimize both cell growth and bioactive production. Finally, step 6. Once the process is defined, we scale up production. The optimized plant cells are cultivated at commercial scale, and we harvest them, either as whole cells packed with bioactives or by extracting and isolating the specific compounds based on our customers' need. And the result? High-quality plant bioactives that are sustainable, contaminant-free, and without the limitations of traditional agriculture. At Ayana Bio, we're using plant cell cultivation to unlock the full potential of nature. It's the future of plant-based ingredients, and we'd love to help you solve your supply chain challenges. Want to learn more? Visit ayanabio.com and see how we're transforming how we grow healthy, bioactive ingredients for the future of health and wellness.